Good morning, children. So today in our English class, in the previous class, I have completed the unit 9. What is the unit 9 lesson? Walking in the rain. So in that unit we have the poem, the months. The months means nelalu, महीने. So कौन से महीने में अपन को कौन कैसा सीजन रहता वो ये पोएम में है. You can see in the page number 12, children. Open in the term book, page number 12. What is the poem name? The months. మంత్స్ బోర్డు तो मालूम ना मैंने జనవరి ఫిబ్రవరి మార్చ్ నెలలు. సో ఏ నెలలో కాలం ఎలా ఉంటుందో ఈ పోయం లో ఉంది చూడండి అమ్మా. जनवरी कोल्ड डिसोल्ड. जनवरी कोल्ड डिसोल्ड मीन जनवरी में बहुत लोनली रहता. मैं जनवरी में वेरी सैड. फेब्रुवरी ऑल ड्रिपिंग वेट. मार्च विंड रेंजर्स. सो मार्च में कैसा रहता? धूप रहता. फेब्रुवरी में प्लीसेंट रहता. ఫిబ్రవరి ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే నార్మల్ గా ఉంటుంది వెదర్. మార్చ్ లో ఎండ स्टार्ट అవుతుంది. मार्च में धूप स्टार्ट होता है ना. अप्रैल चेंजेस. अप्रैल में चेंज हो जाता. कैसा होता? उसमें थोड़ा नॉर्मल धूप रहता. अप्रैल में से धूप स्टार्ट होता. बर्ड्स सिंग इन ट्यून. बर्ड्स सिंग इन ट्यून. बर्ड्स मालूम ना पक्षुलू. बर्ड्स मालूम ना वो सिंग करते ट्यून में. टू फ्लावर्स ऑफ मे में अपन को नए फ्लावर्स आते. एंड सनी जून. जून में कैसा रहता? क्लाइमेट उतना धूप नहीं रहता, उतना ठंड नहीं रहता, नॉर्मल रहता. జూన్ లో ఎలా ఉంటది? మనకి నార్మల్ ఉంటది. ఎండ ఉంటది, వాన ఉంటది, నార్మల్ ఉంటది. ब्रिंग लॉन्गेस्ट डे. जून में कैसा रहता? दिन बड़ा दिखता अपन को. वो महीना जाता ही नहीं, जल्दी हो जाता ही नहीं. జూన్ నెల తొందరగా అయిపోతే చాలా పెద్ద ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే అప్పుడప్పుడు స్కూల్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది మనకి. అబ్బా ఇప్పుడే స్కూల్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది, ఎంత తొందరగా స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది అన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇన్ స్కాచ్డ్ जुलाई द स्टॉर्म क्लाउड फ्लाई लाइटिंग टोन. इन जुलाई में कैसा रहता? नॉर्मल वेदर. क्लाउड्स चेंज होते रहता. अब जब बीच धूप रहता, जब बीच धूप कम हो जाता. అప్పుడే ఎండ కుడుతుంది, అప్పుడే మబ్బు వచ్చేస్తుంది. अगस्त बियर्स कॉर्न. सितंबर फ्रूट्स. सितंबर में अगस्त में नए नए फ्रूट्स आते. इन रफ अक्टूबर अर्थ मस्ट डिस और हियर. डिसऑर्ड मीन्स टू रिमूव क्रॉस. अक्टूबर में कैसा रहता? क्या बोलते हैं? अक्टूबर में थोड़ा अनड्रेस. वो महीना ऐसा कैसा की रहता? मीन्स थोड़ा प्लीसेंट में रहता, नॉर्मल वेदर में रहता. और अक्टूबर में क्या होता? स्टार्स फॉल एंड शाउट्स. स्टार्स मालूम ना ऊपर स्काई में रहता, वो नीचे गिरते रहता नाइट में अपन देखे तो. इन कीन नवंबर द एंड नाइट इज लॉन्ग एंड कोल्ड इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. इन नवंबर में धूप ज्यादा रहता, दिन नाइट बड़ा रहता. इन बीक दिसंबर तक भी धूप रहता ना. अपन नाउ वी आर इन डिसंबर ओनली. इन द डिसंबर वी हैव द कोल्डेस्ट ना. తండిచేనా నవంబర్ లో ఏంటిది? చలి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయి ఏమవుతుంది? నైట్ పెద్దగా ఉంటది, ఇంకా కోల్డ్ అంటే చల్లగా ఉంటది. అది డిసెంబర్ వరకు కంటిన్యూగా ఉంటుంది. షల్ ఐ రీడ్ ద పోయం? నౌ సీ. January cold desolate. January cold desolate. January cold desolate. February all dripping wet. February all dripping wet. March wind ranges. March wind ranges. April changes. Birds sing in tune. Birds sing in tune. Two flowers of May. Two flowers of May. And sunny June. And sunny June brings longest day. Brings longest day. In Scotch July the storm cloud fly. In Scotch July the storm clouds fly. Lighting tone. Lighting tone. August bear corn. August bears corn. September fruits. In rough October. In rough October. Earth must dissolve here. Earth must dissolve here. Stars fall and shout. Stars fall and shout. In keen November. In keen November. And the night is long. And night is long. And cold is strong. In big December. In big December. Big means not hopeful. అంటే నమ్మకం ఉండదు. ఆ నెలలో అలా ఉంటది. డిసార్బ్ అంటే అన్డ్రెస్. స్కాచ్ మీన్స్ బర్nt surface. Okay, shall I read once again poem, children? January cold dissolved. January cold dissolved. February all dripping wet. February all dripping wet. March wind ranges. March wind ranges. April changes. April changes. Birds sing in tune. Birds sing in tune. Two flowers of May. Two flowers of May. And sunny June. And sunny June. Brings longest day. Brings longest day. In Scotch July. In Scotch July. The storm clouds fly. The storm clouds fly. Lighting tone. August be a corn. August be a corn. September fruits in rough October. Earth must dissolve here. Earth must dissolve here. Star falls and shut. Stars fall and shut in keen November, and night is long and cold is strong in big December. This was the poem, children. You have to understand. Now I am giving the hard words. Note down the hard words in your notebook, children. Hard words. Okay, children. Desolate. D-E-S-O-L-A-T-E. Desolate. Dripping. D-R-I-P-P-I-N-G. Dripping. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Disrobe. Disorbe. Tune. T-U-N-E. Tune. Stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Shut. S-H-O-O-T. Shut. So this was the 10 hard words you have, children. Note down in your notebook, and next I am going to give the meanings. Okay, what is the first one? Desolate. D-E-S-O-L-A-T-E. Desolate. Dripping. D-R-I-P-P-I-N-G. Dripping. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Disrobe. D-I-S-R-O-B-E. Disorbe. Tune. T-U-N-E. Tune. Stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Shut. S-H-O-O-T. Shut. Shut. S-H-O-O-T. Shut. Next, now I am going to give the meanings. Okay. Desolate. Very sad. Desolate. Very sad. Scorched. Burnt surface. Burnt surface. Disrobe. Undress. Undress. Bleak. B-L-E-A-K. Bleak. Not hopeless. So not hopeful. So the first meanings you have. First one, what is the first one? Desolate. Desolate means very sad. desolate, very sad. Scorched, burnt surface. Disrobe, undress. Bleak, not hopeful. Sorry, hopeful, not hopeful. In this see children, in this lesson you have how many question answers? 8 question answers. Out of 8 I am giving 4 question answers. Okay children, note down that 4 question answers in your notebook children. Answer the so children, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is the first question children you have? What is the weather like in January? What is the weather like in January? Means weather कैसा रहता जब मौसम कैसा అప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటది మనకి కాలం. So how is the weather? The weather is cold. The weather is cold and desolate. Desolate in January. The weather is cold and desolate in January. Okay. Coming to second question. What becomes strong in December? What becomes strong? The cold is strong in December. Cold means चलेगा. क्या ज्यादा रहता है दिसंबर में? Strong तो बलंगा. अच्छा, क्या रहता दिसंबर में अपन को? Cold. Second. What become strong in December? What becomes strong in December? The cold is strong. The cold is strong in December. Okay children, the cold is strong in December. Coming to third, when do the stars fall and shut? When do the stars fall and shut? The stars fall. The stars fall and shut in November. stars fall and flood in November. Which month is dripping white? Which month is dripping white? Do you have any idea, children? See the poem. Which month is dripping white? Yes, the February is, the month of February is dripping white. Which month is dripping white? February. February is dripping white. Which month is dripping white? February is dripping white. So we have these 4 question answers in this lesson. Write note down these 4 question answers in your notebook. Okay? By this we finish this lesson in the notebook part. Open your term book, page number 13. Open your term book, page number 13, children. Open page number 13. So they have given like this. Find the circle and name of 5 seasons in the one each box. So 5 seasons के names है. So first box में क्या है? Spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. Circle spring. The second winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Next in the summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. 3 over now, more than 2 you have. Moson, M-O-N-S-U-O-N, Moson. Autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N, Autumn. Okay, we have 5 seasons. Next, I have circled it and circled in your note book also. Coming to page number 14, you have, what we have? Add ED to the action word given below and turn them into the past tense. Past tense में turn करना. Waited, wait बोलते ठहरो. Waited, हम लोग wait कर रहे. Past, present बोलते अब हो रहा तो. Future बोलते अभी होने का है. Past बोले तो हो गया सब बोले ना मैं. Yes. Wait बोले तो wait करो. Waited बोले तो no already waited. Wait करे. Next is soup, S-C-W-E-D. Next, water, W-A-T-E-R-E-D, watered. Photon, button, B-U-T-T-N-E-D, buttoned. Walk, W-A-L-A-E-D, walked. Climbed, C-A-L-W-E-D, climbed. So by this we finish that lesson in the notebook part and in the term book part. Next you have mice nibbled my nails. So next you have the unit 10. We'll start this lesson in the next class children. Mice nibbled my nails. Okay. Now we finish this month's poem. In the notebook I have given hard words, meanings and question answers. In the term book we have circled the 5 season names and this added past tense. Add ed to the action words given below and turn them into the past tense. Okay, by this we finish the complete lesson. In the next class I will start the next lesson. Okay, thank you.